Okay, the last thing we're going to do in this series is we have to upload our files. Now, in the past we've uploaded them to the root directory of our website, this right here, but we're not going to do it today. What we're going to do is we're going to create another a subdomain, and I'm going to go ahead and click on here, create subdomain. I'm going to call this tennis. So when we take a look at that site, it's going to be tennis.tombrady2014f.info. And I'm just going to add a host. Okay, so now here we can see that I have a subdomain tennis. And if I copy that and open up a new browser and paste it in, it says index of, which means that well, everything's connected. It's just there's nothing in that folder. So we'll go back to FreeHostia. And what I need to do is go to the file manager. So I'll go Files, File Manager. When I get there, there should be two folders now, my subdomain folder and my regular folder. So I'll go ahead and double click into the subdomain folder. And I'll go to Windows Explorer then. Here are all my files. So what I'm going to do is click on Images. I don't need to bring the content in, so I'll leave that out. And I'll click on Shift key and then click on that, and that will select everything inside the website. Okay, then I'll right mouse click on Images and send to Compress Zip folder. And then bang. It's called Images, but I'm going to change that to Web Content.zip. So that's my website. And I just need to upload that using the file manager. So I'll go back to FreeHostia. And well, we can't see it here. But out up over here somewhere. Okay, this is frustrating. There you go. There's an upload new files. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to ask me where it is. So right now it is on my G drive, I think. Triton Tennis. And there is my zip, my web content. It's right at the bottom. I'll click open. And then what I want to do is check this box that says extract the files automatically so I don't have to do it manually. And I'll upload the files. Alright, so now all the files are up. Again, I have to watch out if it's over 700 and if it's over 500 kilobytes, it is not going to go up. So now I just simply need to go to where my index of was before to see if this all works. And when I refresh, there's my website. Alright, so there's everything. And then resources. And here are all my different resources. And then back to my home page. Alright, not too bad. And that's as easy as it is. Then we can go back to the file manager. A couple of things we want to go ahead and do. We have plenty of space, but I would still go ahead and get rid of that zip. And we'll go ahead and delete it with your finger. And then what you can do is now you can go into your root directory and delete all the files in that. I don't have any files in that because this is a whole new account for me. But if you have a bunch of stuff in there, go ahead and delete everything out of there because that's what we're going to use for our WordPress site. And that's the next thing we're going into.